I was looking for a multi-tool to use at work just to cut boxes, tapes, and sometimes I do need pliers. And I found this little neat one. Well, not very neat. It's about 3/4 of an inch thick, or about 2 centimeters. It has a little pocket clip, and it comes with a knife, which is pretty sharp. I wasn't expecting a sharper knife like this. Plus, it also came with a pretty with some pliers that kind of snap out with a little hinge right here. So you just kind of go like this. I had a lot of fun playing with this one. You can grab. It won't go back in unless you unlock it again, push it, and it locks back again, which you can do with one hand as well, once you get the hang of it. Also comes with a flathead screwdriver, also as a can opener. Could lock it back in place, and also a Phillips head screwdriver, which is pretty firm. Lock it back out. And was another tool they had in there was this LED light, which you could tell doesn't work right now because I forgot it on last night. And it's pretty easy. You can just change the battery right here. Other than that, it's a pretty nice tool. I kind of like it. When you hold it, you do feel it. It's not very. It's light and thick. It has some meat to it. Again, so you got the knife on there. Be careful, it is pretty sharp. So you have to flip it upside down for the pliers. Just snap out like that. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tools in one. And the pocket, I like this one, and it does fit. I put it on a side jeans. You can I like this because it has the pocket clip here. You can just kind of put it anywhere you like. This is very useful. Put it back on.